Kusai Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories. And namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngale story ke sika Hungane kanye ke no Stephanie, guys. I was so hoping ukuthi ke asisilona iqiniso, guys, the way bengibathanda ngakhona as a couple. Yo, they were so beautiful, guys. Yazi ukuthi ngaphela iBhayibheli malithi ungafisi into kamakhelwane wakho. So lesho into enjengaleni ukuthi uyafisa nje ukuthi ngazi ukuthi ungaba nomshado mhlawumbe njengowabo, mabona lapha besho ukuthi izithombe bebahle, like omunye uchocolate, omunye ulight. Yeah, they were so beautiful, guys. Like really, I didn't want to write anything or say anything until ngibona statement. But ke guys, yo, finally they have wrote the statement to us. Sifundeka kanje. Would like to take this a moment to address the speculation surrounding our relationship. After much thought, reflection, and conversations we have mutual, decided to part ways and end our marriage. Yo, guys, while we had hoped to share this news at a time that felt right for us, the unfortunate early release by media has prompted us to speak sooner than we had planned. Though our marriage is ending, our friendship is not. We are committed to showing up as a united team for our beautiful daughter, raising her with the same care, intention, and joy she has always known. We are incredibly grateful for the love and support you've shown us, especially through the Ndlovu's Uncut. During this deeply personal time, we kindly ask for privacy, grace, and compassion for our family. With love and gratitude, Uhungani kanye no Stephanie. Yo, guys, iqiniso. Ibhlungu yazini kubhlungu. Ngiyaqala ke nje uku-affectwa i-divorce yama celebrity kanjena, yazi, like kube ngathi personal njengale ekahungane kanye no Stefan. Yeah, I wonder what happened inkosi yami. But anyway, guys, yeah, kunjalo ngampela ke mase kubhale bona sekusho bona kusho ukuthi impela cha all the rumors abe yiqiniso ukuthi ke bayahlukana, bayadivorce, bezokhulisa umntwana ke. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below, guys, and share your opinion.